Union Budget 2024. Something for the automotive sector that didn't really work out for us. Now, we expected subsidies on the whole electric segment, right from the vehicles to charging stations to battery packs and a whole lot of others. Now, we also expected tax reductions on hybrid vehicles. We expected import taxes to be reduced, and we also expected FAME 3. Now, all of this hasn't happened, and FAME 3 is still just a dream for all of us. In Nirmala Sitharaman's official statement, she did announce that 26,000 crores was announced to Bihar's road infrastructure, and a few hundred crores were also invested in Andhra Pradesh. Now that is basically all that we've got. The auto sector only contributes to 7.1% of the total GDP. However, that is still some amount. It might be a small amount, but it still contributes to the entire GDP. Now all that we've got from this is something really small, and those are the import duties waived off on 25 minerals. Now, some of these minerals that are actually important to us are the lithium ion minerals and copper. Both of these play a huge role in the manufacturing of batteries, in the manufacturing of battery plants. So now, what we can expect is hopefully in the near future, we can expect a slight drop in electric vehicle prices in EVs due to the localization of batteries. Now, since we've got import duties waived off of lithium ion and copper, that means we'll get them at a cheaper price, which means we can manufacture a whole battery pack for cheaper. We're still importing battery packs. There's no subsidy being put on battery packs. There's no import taxes waived off on battery packs. So we're still paying that extra amount for that. So now with the localization of these batteries, this will also bring out job opportunities for youth, and will also reduce unemployment. Now, this will not happen anytime in the near future. This will take some time once we understand the whole process of making a full battery. Now, as unemployment reduces, as we bring out more job opportunities, the prices of EVs may also reduce, and this may meet the same price as ICE vehicles or probably go even lower. So now, what do you think will happen in the near future after hearing the Union Budget 2024 for the auto sector? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. My name is Vedant Jouhari, signing out.